We came out with this thing called ClientHub. And so what ClientHub basically allows you to do is communicate with customers within the app. We saw people that were having issues that had partners. Like I have a business partner. And so whenever we try to communicate, like it's one person communicating with the customer, the other person communicating with the business partner, and then you're basically playing middleman between the two. And so we just created a way to basically be able to send text messages. And you can also
that's
send
not
photos.
nice.
You can also send photos.
Who said that?
I don't know.
Sometimes we have to test things out, and we were testing out photo functionality, so I sent that to Justin.
Yeah. So as you guys can see, it's working good right now. So we could send text through here, which is nice, and it gives you a little delivered icon, a little check mark whenever it's securely through. But yeah, it's just a good way to now communicate with customers. So anybody who has Platinum and Ultimate, you now have this feature. So all you got to do is set up your phone number, and you're good to go. Just a couple other QuoteIQ updates. So all Platinum and Premium users now get this feature for absolutely free. It's included. We actually just bumped the price too. So for anybody who's got a Platinum or Premium account, as long as you stay subscribed, you're going to keep at that price point. So that's pretty good. We don't even have to raise the price point, and we gave you guys additional features. Another thing that we recently rebuilt was our dashboard. I don't know if me and Mike have come on here and actually showed the dashboard, but we added a bunch of things to it, and essentially we wanted to give you guys all the data analytics. That way you knew exactly how your business is running. So you got, gross sales, you got your year-to-date and expenses, profit and loss statement down here, lead hub, so you can keep track of open estimates, accepted estimates, sales by service, average ticket price, tips, expenses, and then even lead sources, so you can know where your leads are coming from. And if you hover over all these, now they'll actually respond to you when you hover over them, which is really cool. Something we worked on as well. And of course, we have our outstanding invoices. Joe Biden is really outstanding on this one, so we'll have to follow up with him and see what's going on. So
one of the things that's one of my features that I really wanted was that the late payments. And on that late payment thing, we've also included a new thing called send reminder. And so basically what it is it's you pre-populate this in your settings. Justin hasn't done it yet. This is just a test account. But so basically all you do is you put in past due payment or payment reminder, and then just in the body say something just like, hey, thanks for the business. Notice that the invoice hasn't been paid. Just wanted to follow up. Here's the link to your invoice. And so it's just a quick boom, 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 boom. You can go down that list if you've got outstanding invoices and just make it happen real quick.
Absolutely. So you can be as aggressive with this email as you want to, and you can just save it in. Mike does a lot of business. So there's some people that fall through the cracks with regards to who he sends it to. But as you guys can see, once you have it in there, hey, it's time to pay or I'll break your kneecaps. So pre-populates, and then all you got to do is hit send email. So that's really good, really cool little feature that we added in there. But dashboard analytics overhaul, ClientHub overhaul, and we actually just implemented signatures on all.
This is one of the things that, when you send an estimate in QuoteIQ, the customer gets it and they can either accept it or decline the estimate, right? On that little accept or decline, it says, by accepting, you agree to the terms and conditions attached to this estimate. So you can put in like a footer with your terms and conditions, or you can upload a customer contract or, terms of service, anything that you want. And then by default, when they accept that, legally binding, they're legally bound because they have checked that box, so to speak. But now we have got it so you can use your mouse or a finger if you're like on an iPad, and manually the customer can sign that, click accept, and then on the PDF, it's got a time, date, stamp with their signature of when they accepted it. So down the line, should you run into an issue with payment or something like that, you've got a legal document that they signed it on this date at this time. Here's their signature, and that's going to help you out should you have to file liens or go to small claims court, or just use it as just a little proof like, hey, pay your bill. So something awesome.
Be sure that you guys jump in there, get everything updated. We're constantly building, putting in things that people are requesting. So if you guys have any requests for us, please let us know, and we'll get it built in, especially if it helps majority of people that are using the app. Yep. The other thing that we have is on Android, you guys can now do the 14-day free trial. So that was not in there before, but we got that in there now. So constantly working, constantly building, constantly trying to make it better. So we appreciate all you guys.
Yeah.